Falcon 9 is in startup.
LD is go for launch.
SpaceX launched a Falcon 9 rocket from Vandenberg Space Force Base Tuesday, January 2nd.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition, and liftoff of Falcon 9.
With 15 V2 mini satellites on board, as well as 6 of the latest technology direct-to-cell satellites capable of connecting directly with your cell phone. The launch went off as expected, with everything operating nominally.
Max Q. Stage separation confirmed. Fairing separation confirmed.
Stage 1 entry burn startup. Stage 1 entry burn shutdown. Stage 1 landing burn.
After the first stage separated, the booster landed on the drone recovery ship, Of Course I Still Love You.
Landing leg deploy. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
Shortly afterwards, the satellites were deployed to the constellation, which is now comprised of more than 5,000 satellites. Another successful SpaceX launch. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you track every SpaceX launch.